soaked. Oh.
Just on a nice countryside walk in this very severe rain. We're just doing a little stroll. And then we're going to go back and it'll feel so cozy because we'll have been freezing and wet, and then we'll be so warm with a cup of tea. If you do one little thing for your child's self, it's watch Kung Fu Panda this week because it's so lovely. We're on number 2.
Or some find it through pain and suffering, as I did. For the day you were chosen as Dragon Warrior was the worst day of my life, by far.
This is the soundtrack to my childhood, and I can't explain the pure joy that I feel watching this. Do my hair in a plait so it's wavy tomorrow, like I would have done when I was little.
Never gonna get all these steps right, Barbie.
This is one of my favourite bits in the whole film. I absolutely adore fairies and this music. Oh my gosh. I loved this bit so much. What an incredible story. And so, the whole thing is just so imaginative. I'm so glad that Mattel kept these stories alive and like made them appealing to young girls in the right way. And look how spring has sprung. And I love this song, it could make me cry. I feel so grateful right now. I felt terrible before I got in bed. Sometimes we just have to put ourselves in a better mood, and this is a great way of doing that.